Dear students, in the series of lectures of Fundamentals of Information Technology, today we will discuss output devices. Here is the introduction of output devices. Output means get something from the computer. An output device is an electromechanical device that accepts data from a computer and translates them in suitable form for the users. Output devices are used to get final results from the computer. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, audio, and video. Output devices are used to receive information from the computer either in the form of soft copy or hard copy. Next, the various types of output devices: monitor, printer, plotter, special function terminal, speakers, multimedia projector. Now we will discuss monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit. It is the most common output device that provides visual output. It is just like a television screen. Monitors can have different screen sizes. The screen size of the monitor is measured in inches and typically 14 inch, 15 inch, 17 inch, 19 inch, 21 inch or more. There are basically three types of monitors. First is CRT, cathode ray tube. Next is the LCD, liquid crystal display. And the third is LED, light emitting diode. First is CRT monitor. This monitor uses vacuum tube technology. The cost of CRT monitor is very low and it is very reliable and in many colors. This monitor consumes much electricity and the size and the weight of CRT monitor is very high. Next is the LCD monitor. This monitor uses liquid crystals technology. LCD monitor was discovered by Australian botanist Frederick Rentizer in 1888. And LCD monitor is very slim and lightweight. LCD rapidly replacing CRT monitors. LCD monitors are used in notebooks, small computers, pagers, and other devices. Next is the LED monitor. Light emitting diode is an enhanced version of LCD. And this monitor uses semiconductor diode instead of filament. LED technology used in many devices like cell phones, computers, monitors, flashlight and movement sensors. Next is the printers. Printers are the most popular hard copy output devices. Printers are basically classified into two broad categories: impact printers and non-impact printers. Firstly, we will discuss the impact printers. Impact printers are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, drum printer, and chain printer. Non-impact printers are inkjet printer and the laser printer. Firstly, we will discuss impact printers. The first one is DMP or dot matrix printer. This printer prints one character at one time. The speed of this printer is 30 to 550 characters per second. The cost of this printer is low and it consumes less energy. Next is the daisy wheel printer. This is the other type of impact printer. It works on the same principle as a ball head typewriter. To print a character, the printer rotates the disc until the desired letter is facing the paper. Next is the drum printer. This printer prints entire line at a time and it uses cylindrical drum have characters as printing mechanism. This printer consumes less ink. Next is the chain printer. This printer, also known as band printer, this printer also prints line at a time and it consists of metallic chain used as printing mechanism. It prints characters. The chain moves horizontally around a set of hammers. Character appears against head and the hammer hits the paper into the ribbon to print the character. Next is the non-impact printers. The first is inkjet printer. This is this printer is widely used and it prints character and all kinds of graphics and it prints one character at one time and use ink bottles in different color combinations. The graphic quality depends on the strength of the ink cartridge. It consumes less energy and the printing quality is very high. Next is the laser printer. It is also known as page printer and prints whole page at a time. This is a high quality printer produces resolution that ranges from 600 to 1200 dpi, means dots per inch. The laser beam used to form characters on the drum. The speed of this printer is very high and high quality is very high. It prints on both sides of the paper. Next is the plotters. Plotters prints architectural, engineering and mechanical high quality drawings on large sheets and plotters are used for prints the complex technical drawings. Next is special function terminals includes ATMs and POS. ATMs, automatic teller machine. It is used in banks to withdraw money. It uses real-time operating system. ATM monitors are specially used for money transactions. With the help of ATMs, the funds are easily transferred. POS, point of scale terminals used in place of cash registers. POS replace manual system to maintain sale and purchase records. It is also used for processing the credit and debit cards. We can record and track the record of customers with the help of POS terminals. Next is the speakers. Speakers are the most common output devices. Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves, and speakers receive audio input from a device such as computer. Next is the multimedia projector. It is a compact, high-resolution projector capable of projecting text, images, video, and audio content. It is mainly used for conducting presentation in a corporate environment, educational programs in the classroom, projecting motion pictures in front of large audience, etc. Thank you.